Now that you know, right, Zach?
Now you know. These have been going around a lot here of late, right, this year. I wonder how much longer they're going to be doing this. Is this something that'll be common just for the next couple years? Eventually you get enough up there? I don't know. I was looking up a little information on it. They go up as high as about 340 miles up into the sky. Once they get up there, they initially can look like stars, but then they have these shields that make them virtually impossible to see. Like once the shield deploys, then you can't see the light at all. Isn't that kind of cool? All right, temperatures outside. Speaking of cool, much cooler than where we were this time yesterday. 59 Elm Springs, 59 Fayetteville. We've got some 50s and 60s, not only in Northwest Arkansas. We've had some 50s showing up in spots of the River Valley and the Ouachitas. We're at 60 right now in Clarksville. Waldron did get down to 59. Now you're back up to 63. It's all nice across the area, though. We're mostly looking at 60s across the region. Quiet. We're going to stay quiet as we go through the day today. A lot of sunshine, blue skies. Low to mid 90s. So we are above average for afternoon highs. We've been hot, running mostly in the 90s all week long, but we've also had a lot more mugginess mixed in. Now, yesterday was the transition day because the front was slowly working through. At one point yesterday, it was at lunchtime. We're doing the noon show, and it is 103 feels like temperature in Waldron and Paris, and it was feeling like the 70s to low 80s in Northwest Arkansas. Now that front is all the way through. That dry air has come in. Not a big push of cool air, but that dry air, that's what's allowing us to cool off so much this morning. And then that's going to make it at least a little bit more comfortable. It's going to be hot and sunny, but at least it won't be hot, sunny, and muggy outside. Now, moisture does increase as we go overnight into tomorrow. Humidity comes back up a little bit, but that's going to help with some rain chances. We're going to go 50% chance of scattered showers 3 a.m. to 10 a.m. Now, we could see a lingering shower late tomorrow morning, early afternoon, but by Friday night lights time, we should be good to go across the area. And with those thunderstorms, as they try to get going, that storm system is going to drop in. There will be enough instability, a strong enough storm system that we will likely see at least a few strong storms try to get going, similar to what we saw Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. We had a few damaging wind reports, Benton, Carroll County area. We could see that again as we go overnight into tomorrow morning. That's the top threat. Damaging wind gusts, a few of them, not widespread, but 60 to 70 miles per hour. Secondary threat will be quarter to $half size hail force. So we'll be watching that. Future Track Radar is going to show that for you. Again, zipping through today, we're quiet, we're sunny, we're hot, we're above average. Not muggy, though. A little east-northeast breeze, about 5 to 10 miles per hour. All right, as we go overnight, next storm system drops in from the northwest, starts kicking up showers. 2, 3 a.m., that's when we should start to see development of the rain getting closer to us. And then we're going to see that shower activity dropping southeast. Don't look at the exact placement here, but just know that we'll have some scattered showers and downpours, and a few strong thunderstorms will be possible during that Friday morning commute time frame. Then the activity will be shifting off mid-late morning, a few lingering showers shifting into the River Valley early afternoon, and then we're quiet as we go into Friday night and the weekend. Speaking of the weekend, the Hogs in Fayetteville, and we've had some warmer September games in Fayetteville, that's for sure. Not saying that it won't be a little toasty sitting in the sun there, 3 p.m. kickoff, but it's not too bad. We've got 80s, low humidity, northeast breeze during the game, 5 to 15 miles per hour. Morning temperatures in Fayetteville will probably be around 60 degrees, so not too bad there. It's all in all a good game day forecast for Fayetteville, even in September. We have seen some hotter days. Trending in the right direction. Look at that, 70s to low 80s for Northwest Arkansas next week, low to mid 80s River Valley.
It'll be soon time to pull out those fall coats, right? The sweaters and all that good stuff.
Sweaters.
Sweater season.
We talked about this yesterday doing the noon show together.
Sweatshirts and shorts?
Sweatshirts and shorts are some of our favorite times where it's just cool enough. You need a little something on top. Now, for me and my hairy legs, you know, I feel fine even on some of those cooler days. My wife, she's always like, you know, I'll throw some pants on as well. But if you're like me and you've got the year-long wool socks going on down there, then you're good to go. But that's my favorite time. Too much information?
I also love UGG season.
Just a little.
See, that's where you